I think it's important that you develop a good understanding of at least one particular software. And it might, you really, I think, do your research and find out what schools are teaching as far as IT is concerned. I know that a lot of schools now are integrating IT from, say, the middle years, and then they start getting more serious as year 10 up. So asking schools or finding out or researching what schools are teaching at year 10 up, and then looking at how you can implement some of those skills. So for example, if most schools are doing multimedia programming, for example, or web development, that you perhaps look at learning that particular skill, learn how to use Dreamweaver, learn how to do some JavaScript. Because if you are thrown in to the deep end where you're having to teach a year 10 or year 11 class, if you don't have that specialisation, you'll find it very difficult to keep up with the kids and to keep up with the content and the level that needs to be taught at. So that can be quite, looking more at pedagogy, I think that depending once again which year levels you're teaching, but certainly for middle school, having a good understanding of middle school pedagogy is important, how to engage the kids. You could be thrown into a room with 25 students that may not be that excited about IT, apart from using Facebook and a few other fun social networking sites. So, how do you engage those kids to get interested in say, developing a website or learning the whole process of developing a project? How do you get them investigating? How do you get them planning? How do you get them away from the computers and actually sketching out some interface ideas? So certainly using a whole swag of good methodology is important there. I know we've done a lot of this with our PAC teaching, but looking at how you unpack what you're teaching. So how you go about that, I think it's a really complex question, which is difficult to answer without sort of going into it in a great load of depth. But you certainly need to think carefully about what you're wanting to present and really try and modulise it and bring it into sections and plan that when you're sharing it.